Oh my goodness. TatVar is scamming everybody. TatVar is scamming everyone.
I don't care now, it's pedal to the metal. I can never quit now, I will never settle. Puppet to the game, I'm pulling strings like Geppetto. We in the same game, but I'm on a different level. I passed it.
Yo, what's good, Team Run It Up? We back with another video. You already know what it is. Let's get it going. I got a lot of haters out there, man. I got people saying that I'm scamming people. I got creators saying that I'm scamming people out here, bro. Like, check this out, man. Like, for real? Come on, man. We just gonna touch up on some secret strategy stuff real fast, real quick. First, we have a ton of people who are winning big time from the strategies and from the YouTube videos that I create. Not from what these haters are talking about. They're not crushing it. They're not getting motivated to crush it. They don't go out and do really well from watching these other people talk about, you know, all this negative stuff. And honestly, before I get into this video, I'm not even trying to bash nobody because that's not my forte. Now, if somebody want to put on the gloves and go at it with me video for video, I'm with it. I don't care. I have fun. This is fun to me. This is fun. Like, yeah, this is fun. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm making my money. I'm good. You know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, I'm not out here to bash nobody that's not really trying to, you know, go that route with me. So if it's not going that way, then I'm not trying to bash nobody. But, you know, I got people speaking down on my name without speaking to me, right? So with anything, check this out. It's just like food. You're gonna have people who love fish. You're gonna have people who hate fish. Here's the thing. I made a strategy based upon what everyone kept asking me to put out on YouTube, but I couldn't put it out on YouTube like that. You know, I have a team here. There's a lot of people here who didn't want me to. They were like, bro, nah, man, like, nah, don't give out our area, don't give out what we do every day. Why are you telling people to, you know, even wake up early? Because I say that on the YouTube. Why are you even telling people to wake up early? Why are you even telling? Because a lot of the people here want to keep all the money for themselves. See, now, check this out. Why did I put a price on it? And why did I put that much of a price on it? Here's the reason why. Because I took time off from Instacart just to make those videos for the private strategy. And on top of that, I knew that once I put those out and people actually got into it, they know everything about me and what I do and what we do here. What does that mean? Even people from out of state can come here now. The people that, you know, and now, you know, a lot of my information is just out there because the strategy has been out for a couple months now. But before then, no one really knew about where I was and what I was doing, how I was out doing what I was doing, right? And for some people, what they really wanted was a bot. They wanted to purchase this and then it'd be like some bot that's just gonna get them batches, and I'm not doing nothing illegal here. And on top of that, even putting an automatic swipe in the strategies, I've had so much beef with people in my own state, in my own market, saying, you're a cheater, that's a cheating, that's against the policies of Instacart and blah, blah, blah. I've been beefing with people here, like going blow for blow with shoppers here that just hated me for showing that to people. They think we're cheating. So now, some shoppers think that that type of information is too good to be true and that it's cheating, but now some people are saying that, oh, it's not good enough and I'm just scamming because I'm scamming everyone because it doesn't work in their markets. Like, like you go, like, you can't please everybody, right? You can't please even the freaking. You can't please everybody, right? I was put on this earth. I'm chosen, man. I was put on this earth to help, like, for real. So the reason why I made the strategies is because people kept asking for me to give out any secret tips that I knew, right? So judging on what keyword here, what I do, what TatVar does here to make my numbers, not what people do there to make your numbers. Like, I'm telling you what we do here, right? Check this out. Check this out. Follow me real quick. I'm gonna show y'all how I'm scamming everybody. So, you know, you got a ton of people who love it. You got a ton of people who didn't like it because of their market situation, which I have no control over. There are people even here and still to this day who do not hit the numbers that I hit. But some of those people got my strategies, and now they hit the same numbers, if not more, than what I hit here. And then not only that, there are people in other markets that make more money now because of the strategies. Now, some people feel like, oh man, it doesn't help them regardless, right? Maybe because their market just sucks. And that's not a TatVar problem. That's not a TatVar secret strategy problem. What that is your market is getting destroyed by shoppers' problem, right? Like, get this, what do I mean by that? If your market was once good, but now it sucks, like people are saying like, oh, it used to be. You can blame that, in my opinion, on shoppers in your area. Think about this, as a customer, if I place an order on Instacart and it comes back crappy, like the shopper sucked, why would I ever tip again? It's not the customers, it's not the shoppers, it's TatVar's problem. It's TatVar's fault. You know what I mean? TatVar is scamming everybody. That's the real issue here. That's the real issue here. TatVar is scamming everybody, right? You got these creators, you got some people who just saying like, oh, they didn't reap any benefits from purchasing the strategies, but then you got people who did. Now, for the people who didn't, I'm sorry. Like, I mean, I can't hold your hand and do your batches for you. I wish I could. Actually, I would. That might be a cool video. You know what I mean? And that's the type of stuff I do on this channel anyway. I like to have fun. I'm probably gonna fly around, meet people, do batches with people, and experience it, right, in their markets. That's something I've been planning to do anyways. But for some people, or not even some people, for like these other creators to try to like get views off of what I'm doing here and call it what I'm doing a scam, they're out there they're crazy, man. At the end of the day, we priced it because we didn't want to give this information out to everybody. But for the people that got in, dude, y'all are sitting there complaining. For the ones that didn't like the strategies, you're sitting there complaining, right? And yet you have all my personal information. If your market sucks, you can literally visit here, see how well you do, and if you do really well, you can make a move, or you can, you know what I'm saying? You can do it, but at the end of the day, no, you're not gonna do that, are you? Or you don't wanna do that, right? Because why? Because Instacart isn't stable enough. Maybe, we don't know. It might be good now and get worse later, even in my market, right? No one really knows. So at the end of the day, it's not a TatVar secret strategy problem. It's you gotta make a choice problem, man. At the end of the day, I gave out everything that I do to make the numbers I make. Now, if it were me, just being real, and somebody said that and I seen it and they were in a different area, I'd be on the first flight, honestly, just to try it out myself, or visiting some way to try it out myself. And if it was that good, I think I'd make that move. But Instacart isn't that stable to make a move like that, is it? Right? What more can I give? You win some, you lose some, right? But you live to shop another day. Nobody's scamming nobody out here, man. Some of y'all have benefited from it. Some of y'all probably are gurus and already know the information. But I showed everything that I do, right? Oh, and another thing, some of the people that said, I haven't been replying, that's a different story. Let me show you why.
How long you been here, Grandma?
3 weeks.
Like for Christmas, the holidays, right?
Mm-hmm.
So right. So I don't see you often, do I, Grandma?
No.
I do not see you often, right?
No.
Exactly.
So there we have it. I haven't seen my grandma in years, and that's grandma. You know what I mean? So forgive me, because I would be replying before 24 hours, but I haven't seen grandma in years. And then my daughter, it's Christmas, I haven't seen my grandma in years. And you never know, when God's gonna take somebody from you. So that's why I haven't been replying, for your information. Now, if you haven't already, hit the like, because I'm done with this crazy crap right here. Unless somebody throws blows at me, because then we can have fun. But let's hope it doesn't come to that, and we're gonna have fun other ways. Running it up, giving away money. Hey, like the video. Hey, subscribe to the new channel, link in the description, because that's gonna be the ultimate. It's gonna be, I'm trying to shoot for crazy videos on that channel. So make sure you subscribe. It's peace and love, we out.